Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Shopify apps. So the first thing is you would like to be logged in into your Shopify account, and once you're logged in into the Shopify admin, you would like to go on this left panel and you'll find something called apps. Go and click on that and this will open this tab for you right here. So you can go and click on all recommended apps and this will open this. From here, you'll find all the recommended apps. And below here, you'll find the ones that are made by Shopify, like search, discovery, inbox, and one I'm using for forms. And you can even download or install another apps by clicking on, as you can see, discover more in the Shopify App Store. So once you click on Shopify App Store, this will open a new tab. And here you will find the Shopify App Store with millions, or I'm not going to say millions, but with a lot of apps here that you can download, depending on the needs that you want. So you can either search the bar or search for the name of the app using the search bar right here at the top, especially if you know the app name. But if you don't know it by any chance, you can just go and browse through the apps right here until you find the one that you like. You can browse, of course, by category, by marketing, shipping, design, and whatever you want. Let's say you find the app that you want. Let's say, as example, this one. All you need to do, just go and click on install, and they will take you here. So you'll have to click on install button again. And as you can see, the app will be installed. You'll be able to customize it however you want. And that's how you basically install Shopify apps. Of course, this will work with any app that you want, especially if it's free. Even if it's not free, they'll ask you to pay later. It'll not stop you from downloading it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.